Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Garena failed to connect with Facebook. So method 1 is clear app data and cache. Go to your phone settings, tap on Apps or Application Manager, find and select Garena, tap Storage, hit clear cache and then clear data. Reopen the Garena app and try logging in again. Method 2 is update or reinstall Garena. Open Google Play Store or App Store on iOS, search for Garena. If there's an update button, tap it. If not, try uninstalling and reinstalling app. Long press the app icon and click on uninstall. Reinstall it from the App Store. Method 3 is to relink your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook app or Facebook website. Go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, Apps and Websites. Remove Garena from the list. Go back to Garena and try logging in with Facebook again. Facebook will ask for permissions again. Accept all. Method 4 is to use your browser instead. Open Garena login page on a browser like Chrome. Try logging in with Facebook directly from there. If successful, go back to the app and try again. Method 5 is to check internet and permissions. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Go to your phone settings and then go to Apps, Garena and Permissions. Make sure all required permissions are enabled, especially for internet access. Method 6 is to disable VPN or ad blockers. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, turn it off. These can interfere with the Facebook login redirect. And that's it.